Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Uncle Sam, and we are going to go over some things that I've spoken about earlier on in the channel. So as you have already known, I have promised that I will be dropping a video if my previous video had hit 100 likes. So far it haven't. It haven't gotten 100 views. So I guess I was overshooting, so to speak. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to show you how you can use, turn this on. Yep. Yes, so basically I'm going to show you how you can use your DSLR to stream on Instagram or on Zoom or on YouTube. YouTube and Zoom are the easy one. The real issue here, or the elephant in the room, is Instagram. So here I'm on my Zoom. I'm gonna show you what I'll be using. Here is my DSLR, right? You see how clear that is? That is the DSLR. All is you doing right over there, and that is sweet. Look at that clear view. If I should switch it to my regular camera, oh man, I don't know why is it so dusty. You see the difference? And the noise, look at that. I'm not too sure if there's dust inside. Maybe I need to break the lens right here and clean it. I'm not too sure. But that's what you have in comparison. Look at the difference. Crisp, right? So the difference is obvious. Now with that being said, I can use my DSLR, and I have already done a video with that. It's kind of simple, it's straightforward. So what happened was that Canon released a software that enables your DSLR camera to be as if it was a webcam without the use of any screen card capture or any cam link. Straightforward, just a USB. That's pretty much what I'm using, and I'm getting audio, and not audio, but I'm getting video like this, and my audio is connected separately. So this is basically what it is. It's nice, I like it, and clearly I'm speaking here from Zoom, and that's what it is. So if you have not seen that video, then I'd advise you to go check that out, and that will be in the description below this video, right? Okay, so this is a look with Zoom, and you can Zoom call, because the thing is that I have a podcast, Marketing on Chaos, and the videos are so terrible because I've been using my webcam. Even though the lighting is super bright, the video was terrible, and because of that I went on a righteous crusade to discover how is it that I could use my DSLR, right? And that was basically what it is. I know I'm frozen here on screen, and the reason why I'm frozen is because my battery died. And that's something that I will be working on. I will be getting something that can fix that issue. So basically what it is like an adapter that is connected to the battery where you can plug it in, and it enables you to plug your video in as if it's your DSLR in as if it's a camera. Like you could plug it into the outlet and it would be charging, and I will be dropping the links to that in the description, and that is coming soon, so I won't be having that issue. As you know, the M50 battery is garbage. It ends so fast, it's not even funny. So that's the reason why you have this frozen screen, guys. The camera is out of juice. Well, this video is not really about that, so let's talk about the Instagram one now. You guys didn't give me those likes, it's fine, no problemo. I still love you guys. Let's get into it. So let's go on Chrome, So the software is a third-party software that connects you to Instagram. Normally you could use it to stream, and this software is called LOOLA TV, right? LOOLA TV, right? This one. So you go here, you have the free and you have the paid. The free one is okay. It's pretty nice. As you can see here, you could do Twitch, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and all this hype stuff. This is what they say. But one of the issues here that I have with it personally is that even though it says all of this fancy stuff, I'm having issues here with the DSLR connecting directly to Instagram. The issue here that I'm having, so basically what you do here is you'd go live, and I'm gonna go live on Instagram here. Alright, and if you look closely, you see this somewhat crapped out situation happening here, right? So it's all crapped out. So basically this is the only thing that is showing on Instagram, right? So this part is not showing, nor is this part. I'm in portrait mode. So as I already told you that my camera is frozen, because it's frozen over here, and the reason being is that it run out of battery. Okay, so if that wasn't the case, what would happen here would come here. I probably don't have the options because it's not connected. So usually there's a drop down menu here, and you could click it and it would show you pretty much the different options that you have. You could use this to connect and all of that good stuff. So here you say it's still connecting, it still hasn't connected. So that's basically how it would work, right? So I'm going to show you different ways of making this work if this doesn't work for you. So this option is that simply you connect your DSLR after you downloaded the software that Canon has, which is the utility software, which I'm assuming that you've already went on that video, my tutorial, you've watched it, you've seen how it is. It's pretty straightforward. It's exclusively for Windows 10, at least for now. I don't know what's gonna happen in the future, but for now it's just for Windows 10, and you have a Windows 10 computer or laptop. So here it says go live, right? So boom, I click here, I can go live. So it's starting up, and if I could show you, then you'd probably see it. So anyways, so I'm live. So you have the layout here where you can pretty much make it however you want, whatever you want to put there. So for example, at mine, you have Uncle Sam live welcome, and the background is black, right? But the issue here is that there's a watermark. So you will have a watermark, no doubt, and that is fine, but that's something that you must keep in mind. If you don't want the watermark, what you could do here is you go over here, as you can see, and this is the price point. Now this is annually, so be careful. Monthly is 24, and as you can see here, you can remove the watermark, and it's unlimited. Now it's 3 hours per month. So if that's something that you're interested in, the links likewise will be in the description below. My advice is that if you're real serious about this, I feel that the the annual would be better, and you could pay as you can see, annual is $228. That would probably be better if you're gonna do this long term. If not, then you don't have to. And another thing to advise you probably not to, because there's a lot of kink in the software that they still need to iron out, as you can see here. So I'm just apply that. But if I scroll down here, you see Q&A. Well, you have that, but background coming soon, effects coming soon, right? Giveaway coming soon, music coming soon. So there's just so many different issues here. It's still not it's not like eCam, but the thing with eCam is exclusively on Mac, right? So I mean, eCam is a beast pretty much, but then eCam doesn't stream directly to Instagram. But what it can do is that it allows you to, because if it's okay, if you want to stream from another platform, then this is something you're gonna have to do, is that you need to go here